Uh, eyes. Okay. Sorry, I had to. That ended quite abruptly, but um, it was it was at the 15 minute and 30 odd second mark, and uh, for some reason it doesn't like. I can't make a video for any longer than 15 minutes. For some reason, I don't really understand it, really, but whatever. Uh, I'll come to that at another time. I'll look into that. But anyway, now we've got all the layers. Now I'm going to put a layer of mozzarella on the top. I didn't know what cheese used for a lasagna, so I just researched, and it said you usually use cheddar, so that's what I'm using. I'm using, my friend Tom said use whatever cheese, but I thought I'd go with cheddar. So here we go. Here's the final touch, which is the cheese on the top. Nice generous amount. Okay, and I think that's pretty much it. Nah. I thought I'd just add a little bit of mixed herbs on the top to go in the cheese as it melts. I thought herbs, onion, mince, and all the rest is nice, but having some other herbs on the top in the cheese, and when you get it out, it'll be melted, and all those herby flavors will be in the cheese on the top. Just thought, God, that'd be amazing. So I thought I'd do that. Okay, there we are. It's all done. I think I've pretty much got it right. I mean, for my first lasagna, this isn't bad. Okay, so I've heated the oven to gas mark 6, which is what you're going to want to set it at. And that's preheated now, and that's all hot. So now I'll just put the lasagna in the oven. Try not to burn myself in the process. Okay, right. So now I'm just gonna do the cleanup, which luckily isn't much of a cleanup. And as I said, for any youngsters who might watch this, remember, this isn't just for your enjoyment, but for anyone who needs guidance or a few extra tips or whatever. Remember, the best ones I could possibly give you is, I know I've said it already, but yeah, keep your work space tidy. And when, what else? When you've been handling especially raw chicken and you're done with that and you want to go and touch other ingredients, wash your hands first before you do that, because then you'd be transferring what am I talking about? But I think I've pretty much covered it. Keep your surfaces clean. Throw away your rubbish as you cook. Keep your workstation clear. Store your raw meat on the bottom shelf of the fridge. Obviously, don't put food next to raw meat or cooked meat next to raw meat. That's a very important one, right there. And well, I think that's it. What other tips can I give? When cooking potatoes, or carrots, or onions, as I've been doing today, you're going to want to cut them into pieces about this big. Either squares or triangles, doesn't matter, as long as they're that size. And if you do that, they're all gonna cook a lot quicker than, if you were to get a potato and just not cut it up and just boil it. It would take forever. And if you're gonna cook something like a pasta bake, um, you don't cook everything separately at different times. Uh, Obviously, I've seen some people do that though, and they've ended up with uh, stuff that's cooked, stuff that's undercooked, stuff that's overcooked. But yeah, when doing cooking a pasta bake, you cook everything together, uh, and you cut everything up small, as I said. Um, what else can I say? Um, well, I could tell you about how to make a pasta bake. Actually, that's basically whatever you want it to be. It could be a tuna pasta bake, uh, cheese pasta bake, veg pasta bake, meat pasta bake, whatever. The options are pretty limitless. But I'd probably say my favourite is chicken pasta bake. Chicken pasta bake, is that a thing? Is that? I don't know. But anyway, it's pretty simple. You get your pasta and whatever you want, and you make a cheese. Okay, let's just say it's chicken. Chicken, pasta. You make a cheese sauce. Um, you get your mozzarella, or it could be cheddar, and then you melt that. You put that in the pan. You put that in the pan. Add a bit of milk. Melt that. Stir that into the milk, and then stir that up, and then you get like a lovely creamy milky like sauce, and then you put that in with the pasta and the chicken and whatever else, veg or whatever, and then you go ahead, add some um, maybe basil, oregano, whichever, um, and then on top of that you put another thicker cheese on the top of that. Um, mo- mozzarella, mozzarella as the sauce and cheddar as the top, like cheese. You put your cheddar on the top, and then you put it in the oven, and there you go. Where are we at? Um, that's pretty much it. If you liked, if you liked this video, make sure to like it, share, um, and as I said, this challenge video will be coming soon. Whenever I can do it. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.